early morning in Bali. We go hiking. Hello. Yesterday was really unusual video. I always talking on a camera. Yesterday I didn't say any single word just because simply there was 5 dives. The surface intervals was really short. During the surface intervals I needed to do the briefings. There was not really a time, or maybe there was. You always can find the time to talk on camera, but yesterday I didn't get this feeling. And the footage, there was so much footage and it felt for me absolutely useless to talk. There was no words needed, and you saw how beautiful actually it was. All 5 dives, how different all of them are. And it's just in such an all the dives were done actually in such a small area, Tulam and Ahmed. And to be honest, I didn't show you the best dive sites we have. We have even better than you saw on a video. The second group of the divers been in the Philippines, in the same place where we were living for so many years in Malbo, and we kind of compared the dive sites. And all of us agree that here we have in such a small area so different dive sites. Like in the Philippines also one dive site differs from another one, but here the difference is really big. I don't know, because of the black sand, or what is the reason why it's so different. Sorry for the wind sound, but on the beach is a little bit windy today. No big waves as you can see on my back. Tomorrow's episode will be from the summit of Agong, because tonight we're gonna go. Finally it will be as in the beginning we were planning it, and both of us we are super excited. It's always really nice to go with someone who is going your rhythm. Sorry, step on me as well. That's the tradition, yeah. Alright, so here we are, finally all together. Everybody's ready to go tonight. We've been planning this one really long time. Since September. Since the beginning of the September, when we started training, when we started doing our hikes. And so then we were about to go in November, but then we were waiting for the better weather, right?
Yep.
What else? Then we were finally ready to go in December, but then I got sick. You got sick.
Yeah.
So again, there was no chance for us to go together. Finally I did December together with Ivan. It was like a little bit more hike for Ivan than for me. So now what is actually really important is that you're going together with someone who's going your pace, your rhythm, right?
Totally.
I think we're feeling pretty comfortable together.
Yeah, I'm confident.
Yeah, we are like a hiking couple.
As you can see.
Yeah, it's pretty funny. It sounds really funny. But yeah, it's like, for me definitely it's really comfortable to go together with Elliot. He's definitely stronger than me.
I don't know.
Yeah, you are. But you know, it's like, it's always good that you can leave some reserve or something, right? But benefit for me is that I've been there already 4 times, so I know what to expect. So that in these terms it will be more challenging for you than for me, right?
Definitely, my first time.
So just tell me, otherwise I'm just talking. Believe me, I can talk a lot, but what do you think about all this event?
The event in, what do I think about it? I've been looking forward to this, I guess, for 9 months straight, preparing for it for 9 months. So this is a massive event for me. God, I can't tell you. I'm excited. I'm well trained. Or hopefully I'm well trained.
Yeah.
I don't know. This is a life goal.
It's not really usual stuff, right?
No, out of the ordinary. A lot of people wonder and ask why I'm doing this.
Asking, really?
Yeah.
So I can tell you. So going up, it's just a half of all this thing. Actually, coming down will be way more challenging because it's a lot of pressure on the knees.
Yeah.
But I'm absolutely confident about you.
And we'll run a little bit.
I'm pretty sure we will enjoy every single moment of it. Because when I did now solo, when there was no one else, I really enjoyed the hike.
Good.
Because like, I'm just going, talking to myself. It was like really cool actually. Like what usually we do. I'm just going in the front talking something. And yeah.
Telling yourself a story.
So yeah, so the next time when you will see this episode, then it will be report from the top. Where we will I don't know what we will do there. We will just yell there, or maybe we will just pray there, whatever people do on a summit. But yeah, I'm really excited about that.
Same.
All right, so watch us. This is recorded the day before. Tonight we are 11 p.m. We're leaving to Pasar Sebatan. So then we will go up. The plan is to go 3030 meters, not the one I did already 4 times. It's gonna be a challenge because we need to find the trail, which is a little bit different. I tried to look for it last time, but I didn't really find it. I didn't understand where is it.
We'll find it this time.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
All right. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, and see you tomorrow again. Bye. So that's the thing how the kids, can you show me that? Yeah. So that's how the kids are playing here in Indonesia. Simple toys, really. And he's having fun. Just say hello.